Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a histogram in Excel. Open your workbook and locate the data column you want to analyze, then select it. Click the Insert tab, choose Histogram from the Charts group, and Excel will generate a default histogram for you. Next, adjust bin settings by right-clicking the horizontal axis and selecting Format Axis to refine bin width and labels for clearer presentation. Start by cleaning your data in Excel so the histogram reflects true distribution. Remove blanks, fix typos, and place values in one column with a clear header. If you have extreme outliers, consider separate ranges or filters so bins remain meaningful. Highlight the clean data, then go to Insert and pick Histogram. That preparation avoids misleading charts and makes your visualizations more accurate and useful. After inserting the histogram, customize it to tell the right story. Right-click the horizontal axis and set bin width, number of bins, or create overflow and underflow bins. Use chart design to change colors and styles, and add data labels for counts or percentages. Tweak axis titles and grid lines for readability, and resize the chart area so it fits your slide or report cleanly without clutter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.